So, ayan guys, bali mag-check out na lang po kami. Kasi, uuwi na kami. Ayan. Naminto muna kami dito guys. And ganito kaganda yung makikita mo. And then, yan. Yeah. But still have a lot
What's
of...
special about this viewpoint? It's 4-star viewpoint. You can go downstairs. Okay, if it's low. If you want photos without... Yeah, last time I see.
Love, really? Ay, so here. Ayan, pupunta po kami sa ilalim. Wow! First time ko dito. Kasi, palagi lang kami dumaan. Ano? Ay, ganito pala dito sa ilalim. Wow! Wow! Hoy! Ay, don't believe. Kala ko normal na ano lang. Diba?
Biraz kötü ya.
Da. Ay, CR din sila dito. Love, I really don't think that have another. Hello everyone, good evening. So this evening guys, andito pala sila Andre tsaka yung best friend niya and syempre yung anak ng best friend niya. So ayan, kumain na muna sila. Ito pala yung niluto ni Mama, pritong isda and then sinabawan din. Kain po tayo.
Ну мы живем сейчас лучше.
Sa food love. You can have a sauce there, love.
Okay.
You can put more lami.
Yeah, very good. I like so much. This fried fish.
Da.
Soлями.
Naman sila mineral. Nasa tubig mineral. Lami.
Very good.
This is very fresh fish because just, you know, just catch. How are you guys?
Yeah, I'm fine. Very tasty. Very tasty. Thank you. Salamat. Yung mom knows how to cook.
Ma'am, kabalo dyan daw kayo kamaunhon pagluto. Lami daw.
Yeah.
Tama.
Mak dia yang esok deh.
Set!
Cek. Nasa na away. Nasa na sa istorya.